This is the Yuba City Battle Royale for the plane throwing competition. I have altered mine a little bit. Not sure if Gurpreet's going to be able to hang. I'll let him go first.
Mine's right here. It's a simple plane. I followed the rules. So which way are we throwing it?
Just that way.
Onto the street?
Out towards the street, yeah. Let's see what that ends up being. I think that might have
ran over by that car.
Gurpreet has 50 feet, which I think has currently beat the record currently posted online.
Let that car go.
I don't think I'm going to measure mine. I'm hoping to beat it here.
Oh, what the?
I'm
That's still rolling.
Yeah, I think you lost.
300 feet or so.
What?
Anyways, thank you very much for Fit4U and Yuba City office.
And that was like a UFO. That's cheating right there.